found in another problem. My truck won't go into neutral tow or flat tow mode. It is likely a problem with my vehicle. So here we are at Larry's Service Center in beautiful Sudbury, Ontario on a cool February morning. And Larry's hooking me up with my Blu Ox system so I can tow my truck behind the motorhome. All right, we're back at it. So we have to put the pins in. These little shiny guys here. Oh, so those have some flex to them. Pretty heavy duty safety chains. I think they're rated 10,000 pounds each is what Larry told me. A little tricky with that, just the one hand. There we go. Oh, that was fast. I hid that right behind my license plate to protect it when I'm not using it. So that's just providing power for the lights. Well, I'll get in, I guess. Left, right, four ways, headlights. All right, so lights are working. Just got to figure out how to put this thing in flat tow mode. So now we're gonna put the truck into flat tow mode. Neutral tow, there she be. Neutral tow, preconditions not met, see manual. Okay, well, we'll try that later. Well, count in another problem. My truck won't go into neutral tow or flat tow mode. Went through the manual, found a supplemental manual online, checked out some YouTube videos. I've actually done it before, just testing it, just to make sure everything worked okay, and it worked okay, but I keep getting the error message that the preconditions aren't met. So we've determined that it is likely a problem with my vehicle, with this 2020 Ford F150 Raptor. So now I'm rushing to the Ford dealer, and I'm hoping, because my departure date, today's Wednesday, I'm leaving Friday. I actually have to go to my cottage today as well, which is 2 hours away, to pick up the rest of my equipment and my gear. So needless to say, things are getting down to the wire. We're at my favorite Ford dealership, Camry and Ford. They're fixing me up. They had to reset my instrument cluster to put this into neutral tow. So we're gonna try it, make sure everything's working. So first thing is accessory, foot on brake, neutral.
Oh, you're in drive now.
Neutral, good call. Hit the neutral tow button, hold to initialize. Thank you, sir. Wow. Thank you, Ken. We've got the truck figured out. We had to go and pick up a drop bar because this was too high. So now we got the drop bar. It's still a little too high, but it's better than what it was. And now we're installing, what's it called, the brake buddy? Blu Ox, okay. So that's the wire that you installed. So when that breakaway is pulled, that's gonna activate this thing. And all it's doing is manually applying my brakes. Oh, so it goes on there pretty tight. Okay, so this I can apply the brakes with, like an electric brake, but I probably won't because this is a 30,000 pound motorhome. All right.
So we're setting this up so it's just against the seat, right?
Yeah.
But not applying any pressure to the brake.
No pressure at all, okay.
So then we're gonna power it on. And then it's blue flashing light, right? Set up. When you hit set up, it's gonna apply the brake. Okay, and now it's set up, the power light is saying solid green.
Which means I'm good.
You're good to go.
Tow bar broke. Rammed my Raptor into the back of my brand new